feeling lazy today. I am. But I realized I have to do something. So I decided I'd try out Dan and Phil's their Halloween video when they do crispy cakes. So I have cereal, marshmallows, butter, some white chocolate. I only have 2 hands, so it might be difficult to record everything. I don't know. I've watched the video a few times already. I know kind of what to do. Also, I have their list, like 1, melt the butter in a pan with medium heat. 2, add the marshmallows to the pan and stir until it's all melted together. Blah 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 blah. I don't want any color. That was very to the limit. I don't know what to do. Okay. It's been a day and I'm just about to go to work. But I thought I'd at least try them and show you how they went. I think it's a failure. It's a complete failure. I should have used non-stick spray, but we didn't have any. And I didn't want to go to the store. It looks like... what do I call it? Like cat food or vomit. That's what it looks like. And I'm just going to eat one because it's breakfast. And yes, I couldn't shake them. Like, it has a really weird consistency, but it's kind of good. I'm probably actually going to eat this, but maybe give one or two to my parents. If they even eat them, because they look like absolute trash. I mean, they look like vomit. Or like cat food. Or both. No, I mean, why wouldn't it be good? It's just cereal and marshmallows and chocolate. I feel like these are definitely going to give you a stomachache if you eat a lot of them, because it's just so much sugar. Like, even one makes me feel kind of sick. Like, you're not really supposed to eat that big a chunk of sugar. I mean, it is basically a huge marshmallow with cereal and chocolate on it. So no wonder it tastes like that, or makes you feel kind of sick. I don't have an outro. I don't know what to say when we finish the video. Why do I always do a weird face when I say goodbye? Like, I can't just say goodbye.